This teaches you how to turn off Windows Defender, both temporarily and permanently, in Windows 10. While Windows Defender can be disabled until you restart your computer from within settings, you can prevent Windows Defender from turning itself back on until you allow it to from within the Windows Registry editor. Keep in mind that disabling Windows Defender will open your computer to security threats. Additionally, using the registry editor outside of the parameters defined in this article can harm or even brick your computer. How to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 10. Method 1. Turning off Windows Defender. Open Start. Click the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of the screen. The Start menu will pop up. Open Settings. Click the gear-shaped settings icon in the lower left side of the Start menu. Doing so opens the settings window. Click Update and AMP Security. It's in the bottom row of settings options. Click Windows Security. This tab is in the upper left side of the window. Click Virus and AMP Threat Protection. It's the first option below the Protection Areas heading near the top of the page. Doing so opens the Windows Defender window. Click Virus and Threat Protection Settings. You'll find this option in the middle of the page. Disable Windows Defender's real-time scanning. Click the blue-on switch below the real-time protection heading, then click Yes when prompted. This will turn off the real-time scanning feature of Windows Defender. You can also disable Windows Defender's cloud-based protection by clicking the blue-on switch below the cloud-delivered protection heading and then clicking Yes when prompted. Windows Defender will turn itself back on the next time you restart your computer. Method 2. Disabling Windows Defender. Open Start, then click the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of the screen. The Start menu will pop up. Open Registry Editor. The Registry Editor program allows you to make changes to your computer's core features. To open it, do the following. Type in regedit. Click the blue regedit icon at the top of the Start menu. Click Yes when prompted. Go to the Windows Defender folder's location. You'll do this by expanding each of the necessary folders in the left-hand section of Registry Editor as follows. Expand the HKEY local machine folder by double-clicking it. Skip this step if the folder is already expanded. Expand the software folder. Scroll down and expand the policies folder. Expand the Microsoft folder. Click once the Windows Defender folder. Right-click the Windows Defender folder. You should see a drop-down menu appear. If your mouse doesn't have a right-click button, click the right side of the mouse, or use 2 fingers to click the mouse. If your computer uses a trackpad instead of a mouse, use 2 fingers to tap the trackpad or press the bottom right side of the trackpad. Select New. It's near the top of the drop-down menu. Selecting it prompts a pop-out menu. Clicked Word, 32-bit, value. This option is in the pop-out menu. Clicking it places a blue and white file in the Windows Defender window on the right side of the page. Enter Disable Anti-Spyware as the file name. When the Word file appears, type in Disable Anti-Spyware and then press Enter. 2. Open the Disable Anti-Spyware Word file. Double-click it to do so. A pop-up window will open. Replace the value data number with 1. This essentially turns on the Word value. Click OK. It's at the bottom of the window. Restart your computer. Click Start, click Power and click Restart in the pop-up menu. When your computer finishes restarting, Windows Defender will be disabled. Re-enable Windows Defender when needed. If you decide that you want to re-enable Windows Defender in the future, do the following. Go back to the Windows Defender folder in Registry Editor. Click once the Windows Defender folder. Open the Disable Anti-Spyware value by double-clicking it. Change the value data from 1 to 0. Click OK, then restart your computer. Delete the Disable Anti-Spyware value if you don't want it to be available later. This teaches you how to turn off Windows Defender, both temporarily and permanently, in Windows 10. While Windows Defender can be disabled until you restart your computer from within settings, you can prevent Windows Defender from turning itself back on until you allow it to from within the Windows Registry Editor. Keep in mind that disabling Windows Defender will open your computer to security threats. Additionally, using the Registry Editor outside of the parameters defined in this article can harm or even brick your computer.